Why is impact protection so important? Did you know that OSHA estimates that 71% of all hand injuries could be prevented with the appropriate use of personal protective equipment, specifically safety gloves? Hands have 27 bones along with muscles, tendons and ligaments that can potentially be damaged without proper protection. These injuries can be both painful and very costly for both the person and the company. So, protecting our hands is extremely crucial. But how does impact protection work? Gloves are designed with a signature impact protection system that uses thermoplastic rubber, TPR, which is a key element that helps to reduce the impact from hitting the bone. The TPR disperses the impact energy, minimizing the force transmitted to the hand and thereby safeguarding the bones. What are the impact resistance standards? In 2019, a new regulatory standard from American National Standard for Performance and Classification for Impact-Resistant Gloves, the ANSI ISA 138-2019, set requirements for gloves to protect knuckles and fingers from impact forces while performing occupational tasks. This standard has 3 performance levels that offer numerical representation for the impact protection that each glove provides. Level 1 offers the least protection, while Level 3 provides the most. In addition, impact resistance is also tested using the EN 388-2016 standard. If a glove has the letter P in the 6th position, that means it has passed the impact test and is an impact-protected glove. The EN 388 standard, however, only tests for impact on the knuckles and backhand. Fingers are not tested in the EN 388 standard. On the other hand, the American standard tests impact for knuckles, backhand, and the fingers. Impact protection gloves are essential for safety in high-risk jobs. Protect your hands and invest in the best impact protection gloves today. Scan the QR code to learn more.